balss ļoti izjust. Tā, es spēlējot viņus kopā, man bija kaut kā tāda, mēs uzreiz kaut kur atradām kopīgu valodu, jā. Viņas tā balss nav varbūt no tām sevišķi tādām skaļām vai kam, bet tāda intīma interpretācija, kas ļoti, manuprāt, bija ļoti veiksmīga. Par to es esmu ļoti pateicīgs.
What if all of the news was positive and good? And what if there wasn't a war or an enemy in sight? And what if all of our kids gone missing came home safe? And what if everything was peaceful here tonight? It could happen someday very soon. I'm not just playing ping pong with the moon. What if all of the air we breathe was sweet and clean, and loneliness was a word only dictionaries had, and no one here was afraid of someone over there? And think of the lives we'd had, and think how it could be. Could happen someday very soon. I'm not just playing ping pong with the moon. What if I called you my friend and heard you call me yours, and all of the things from the past was forever now and gone? And what if we wrestle the wind to sail our hopes again, and every darkened heart the light of hope